This video introduces how to set up Osmo Mobile 7P for first-time use. Open the box and take out the gimbal and its accessories. Charge the gimbal using the power cable until the battery level indicator turns off. Unfold the gimbal to power on. Pull out the built-in tripod and place the gimbal on stable, level surfaces in windless environments. In other conditions, it is recommended to attach DJI OM grip tripod to the bottom of the gimbal. Attach the magnetic phone clamp to the center of the phone. The camera mark should point towards the camera of the phone. Align the marks on the clamp and the gimbal before attaching the phone to the gimbal. A steady gimbal mode light indicates that the gimbal is stabilizing the phone. If you pull out the extension rod, adjust the angle to increase the pan range. You can also push back the tripod and grip the handle to start shooting. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Select the device with the OM7P prefix. Once connected, the system status indicator turns solid green. Position the tracking camera of Multifunctional module towards the subject and attach the module to the phone clamp. The indicator turns solid red. Run the system camera or a third-party camera app. You can use hand gestures to start shooting and tracking. Show the palm gesture to the camera to enable tracking. The indicator turns solid green. To adjust the composition during tracking, show the double L gesture to the camera. The indicator turns solid yellow and tracking is automatically paused. The subject can move to the desired position in the frame. Show the double L gesture again to confirm the composition. The indicator turns solid green and tracking automatically resumes. Show the V gesture to start recording after the indicator pulses yellow for 3 seconds. Show the V gesture again to stop recording. To reposition or remove the module, press the release button. The DJI Mimo app offers a wider range of advanced features. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the DJI Mimo app. Launch the app and connect to the gimbal via Bluetooth. A prompt will appear when new firmware is available. Tap the prompt and follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Ensure the battery level indicator shows solid green before the update. Do not exit DJI Mimo during the update. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care services, you need to complete the purchase and binding within 30 days of activation. iOS users can enable Quick Launch for faster access. After attaching your phone to the gimbal, tap the prompt to launch DJI Mimo and enter the camera view. The system camera app, third-party camera apps, and DJI Mimo support the following features. Move the joystick to tilt and pan the mobile phone. Press the M button once to switch between gimbal modes. Press the M button 3 times to enter standby mode and reduce battery usage. The gimbal mode indicator will pulse in this mode. Press any button to exit. Press the shutter record button to take a photo or start-stop recording. Press the switch button twice to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Press the trigger button once to enable/disable active track. Press the trigger twice to recenter the gimbal. Press the trigger 3 times to rotate the camera 180 degrees in the horizontal plane. DJI Mimo supports advanced button features, such as burst shooting and zoom control. Push back the extension rod. Press and hold the M button. The gimbal powers off and automatically rotates to the folding position. Fold the gimbal. Remove the phone clamp, and multifunctional module together. For the next use, attach them as a whole and unfold the gimbal to start shooting. Fold the tripod and tap it. Mind your hands when pushing it back.